God, it's so hot, Jesus. Alright, what's up guys? It's Carl from The Aesthetic. Alright, so like I promised you guys, this is going to be a summer hair tutorial for guys with shorter hair. I just got a haircut maybe like last week, so it did grow in a little bit. When I got it, it was a drop fade. That's a term. It was a drop fade with skin, but since then the skin part kind of grew out, so now it's closer to maybe a 1 or a 2 right now on the sides, and that all kind of blends in with the top, and the top is a little bit shorter than usual. The longest part probably goes down to maybe like 2.5, 3 inches, and it's all actually like one length, but it's super texturized. The barber used a whole lot of shear work to get this really jagged, really textured, because I have very straight hair, so I need a lot of help when it comes to putting texture in my hair. So getting a haircut that suits the style that you want to get is super important. Alright, so to get started with the styling, I'm just gonna damp up my hair. My hair is clean, by the way. I did shower and shampoo this morning, so no product in here, so it's a totally clean slate, and I'm just gonna damp up my hair. Alright, so now that my hair is all damp, I'm just gonna show you guys the products we're gonna be using today. Alright, so for the Prestyler, I'm using a new one actually that I just got, and it's very summery. It's Vilain Sea Breeze. So what this is basically, it's a foam product, so it's kind of like a mousse, but they mix in sea salt in there to give your hair that really nice beachy texture. And on the bottle it says use it for tussle texture and a matte finish, which is kind of the stuff that we want for the summer. So I'm just going to be taking a few squirts of this. Okay, make sure you get, yeah, you don't hear the ocean. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of rub this through my hair when it's damp, and you want to spend time making sure that even though it's a mousse, like you still want to make sure it's evenly applied all throughout the hair, just to kind of make sure that the hair product works on your whole head, wherever you want it to work. So up next is the blow drying part, and this is super important, especially for the hairstyle we're going for. What I want is essentially a more exaggerated and much nicer looking version of what my hair looked like before, like without any product or styling. So we still want everything to go forward. We want it to be kind of fringy like. We're not gonna have really too much volume with our hair. That's not really what we're going for, but instead we want lots of texture, and we want it to look very messy and beachy. So as for how I'm gonna blow dry my hair, you're gonna notice that I'm not really gonna be blow drying it up and back like how I did with my comb over style. Instead, go blow dry everything forward. And really important is I'm not going to be using any brushes or anything. I'm just going to be using my hands, in particular like my fingers and my palms. So my hands. I'm just going to be using my hands to kind of mess things up and keep things super tousled. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be using high speed and medium heat. Alright, so as you can see, thanks to the sea breeze, my hair looks super fluffy. And it's not really that much different from how it was before, but it's a lot easier to work with now. It's not as stubborn, it's a lot looser and lighter. Right now I'm just going to kind of blast my hair with cold air, just kind of set everything in place and cool the hair follicles down and all that good stuff that makes the style last a lot longer. Okay, so the blow drying is all done. Now we're just going to move on to the styling product. So during the summertime, I don't really like to use heavier products like clay or pomade or anything like that. I still use them sometimes, but most of the time I prefer to reach for like a paste or something like that. And what we got here today is something different. This is Gatsby's moving rubber. This is the green product, or Air Rise, or however you may know it from. Really affordable product actually. If you're lucky enough to find it in stores, you can get it for like $8, but even on Amazon it's like $15, I think, something like that. So pretty affordable. And what this product does is the hold isn't going to be like super strong or super heavy or anything. It kind of stays true to its name, Air Rise, where it'll make your hair light and like floofy, but still kind of give you that control that you're looking for. So a product like this is like perfect for summertime. And I'm going to be applying the product the same way that I was blow drying my hair, which was with my hands and just kind of messing it around in circles and kind of directing the hair towards the front. And starting with the back, by the way. Alright, so once the hair product's kind of all in the hair, you really want to spend some time kind of piecing everything together. So just kind of, if you want, just kind of make little spikes like this with your fingertips. And just kind of keep playing with it till you get the shape that you're looking for. Since it is kind of loose and the hold is more so on a lighter medium side, you can spend a lot of time kind of messing around with it, since it's not really gonna harden up or get super heavy or anything. So it's pretty malleable, like now, and it's gonna be malleable like throughout the day. But yeah, that's basically it. How I'm gonna be styling my hair this summer. Hope you guys found this helpful. I really like this right now just because it's super quick, super easy to put together. It looks really complicated, but in reality, all you really need is the right products, the right haircut, and not a lot of time actually. Yeah, let me know if you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know what you think of the style, if you like it, if you don't like it, if you hate it, whatever. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Yeah, if you guys have any other suggestions on things you want me to do, videos you want me to make. I dropped my hair for her. Yeah, it still works. Yeah, I dropped the hair dryer. Yeah, do let me know what kind of videos you want me to make in the comments down below. I'm gonna leave more video suggestions and stuff. If you haven't seen my other videos, do check them out. Do subscribe, that'd be super helpful. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.